So get the fuck off me, I'm anxious. I'm trying to be cool, but I may just go apeshit. Say fuck y'all to all of y'all faces. It changes though now that I'm famous. Everyone knows how this lifestyle is dangerous, but I love it, the rush is amazing. Celebrate nightly and everyone rages. Yeah.
It's just me, myself and I. Solo ride until I die, cause I got me for life.
Got me for life, yeah.
I don't need a hand to hold, even when the night is cold. I got that fire in my soul. I don't need anything to get me through the night, except the beat that's in my heart. It's keeping me alive. I don't need anything to make me satisfied. Lift me every time.
With my anger, I'm swimming in money, swimming in liquor, my liver is muddy, but it's all good, I'm still sipping this bubbly. This shit is lovely, this shit ain't random, I didn't get lucky. Made it right here cause I'm sick with it cutty. They all take the money for granted, but don't wanna work for it. Tell me now, isn't it funny?
Ladies, gentlemen, the concrete is done. It is far from perfect, but as you can see, it's a considerable improvement to how it was before. The next step is that this original garage concrete we'll have to get sanded, grinded and polished down because it has a sealer, and that wouldn't allow proper adhesion of the paint to this. That's obviously going to make this entire garage dusty again, so I can't start on painting on the walls or ceiling, but it will allow me to start another 2 projects, filling in cracks, gaps and holes in the wall, like that monster over there. So that's the current situation. I am getting more and more excited because some actual productive work and its results are visible